Get ready to supercharge your AI capabilities. The highly anticipated Claude Opus 4.6 AI model is here, bringing significant upgrades that promise to revolutionize how we code and create projects in 2025. This ultimate AI assistant from Anthropic isn't just an incremental update. It's a game-changer, building on the already impressive Claude Opus 4.5, which sparked viral, vibe-coding moments over the holidays. Claude Opus 4.6 excels at tackling complex challenges and executing easy steps with unprecedented speed, acting as a sophisticated reasoning model that meticulously plans and even self-corrects its work without your intervention. This breakthrough in AI performance, coupled with features like Cowork, has sparked anxiety on Wall Street about the future of software, highlighting its potential impact. While it can sometimes be too thorough, Anthropic provides settings to adjust its effort level for optimal performance. Available for Pro, Max, Team and Enterprise plans, you can start leveraging this powerful AI today from just $20 a month for the Pro plan. Don't miss out on this cutting-edge technology. Find direct links in the description below to explore Anthropic Claude Opus 4.6 and elevate your productivity.